Thanks for tuning in with MarineMax Clearwater. My name is Aaron, here to show you our 2018 285 Conquest Boston Whaler. One of few boats ever built with the full side glass windshield. Kind of a rare option, really changes the entire profile and personality of the boat. Also very well equipped. We've got our extendable aft sure shade here, twin 225 Mercury Verados, underwater lights, and just a fantastic boat. Real popular model on the west coast of Florida. So tan upholstery, tan dash, some of the latest upgrades on the Conquest line. And this boat here is also equipped with the cruising and entertainment packages. So very versatile boat, ready to fish, ready to cruise with the family, overnight, day boat. The Conquest does it all. Stop by MarineMax Clearwater, schedule your walkthrough and sea trial today.